Located in the heart of the village, just 1 block from some of La Jolla's best restaurants and shops, sits the beautiful property 7824 Exchange Place. Featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and over 2,600 square feet of living spaces, every inch of this residence has been professionally designed. The open floor plan is highlighted by bright living spaces with crown molding, numerous windows, and beautiful hardwood flooring. Entertain friends in the formal living room with its custom-built fireplace, or relax in the great room, truly the focal point of the home. With a large open kitchen, fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and a large prep island, you're ready to perfect your culinary delights. The nearby dining room comes complete with a granite bar and opens out to a private outdoor patio with a built-in barbecue and waterfall. Unwind in the oversized master retreat with its voluminous 12-foot ceilings, custom-built fireplace, large walk-in closet, and you can easily enjoy the breathtaking ocean views and fresh coastal breezes. With an additional 3 bedrooms, there is plenty of space for an office, guest room, or even a home gym. Escape to the 3rd floor spa deck, where you can once again take in the ocean and North Shore views while relaxing in the jacuzzi. You can truly enjoy the California lifestyle with numerous patio and dining areas providing ample space to soak in the sun or entertain. With its convenient location just 1 block to the top-rated restaurants and shops of the village, as well as just 3 short blocks from the Cove and the Pacific Ocean, you are truly in the heart of it all with every amenity right at your fingertips. Filled with warmth and charm, this magnificent estate is truly a gem.